Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I want to show you how to work with the margin trades on a Bitget. Let's dive in. First of all guys, I highly recommend you go and check the big tutorial. First one, it's in general about Bitget. Second one, how to trade a futures with the leverages on a Bitget. And today I want to show you what's the point of the margin, because it's so similar to the spot trades and the futures, but some differences. So first of all, what do you have to do? You need to open margin account. This one, we got a futures account, spot account, margin account. And now on-chain, by the way, go and check how to trade on-chain on a Bitget, new future. We can transfer money to margin account. Press transfer. We need to choose from spot account or the futures. Let's choose the futures account. And we can choose isolated margin spot or cross margin spot. I highly recommend you use the isolated margin because if you trade on the cross, it's total balance. So the exchange use your total balance to cover some losses, you know. If you use the isolated margin, the stop loss and some liquidation can be fixed at only that amount of money with the open position. So I recommend you isolated margin. Select a token, USD, maximum, confirm. Got it. If you want to trade futures, you go to futures menu. If you want to trade margin or spot, we go into trade. Here's the spot position, here's a margin. All right, we choose the margin. Like you can see on the right screen, we get a cross 3x and isolated. This one. So available, $10. Cross, not available. So just in case, so here's a spot, cross, and isolated. Got it. We go to trading pairs. Let's say I want to buy the XRP. I will choose XRP, for example, because it's easy to count. It's $2 price now, round number. So here I open the chart. You can add XRP mark with a star and you will add it to your favorites. This is open orders, open history, order details, assets, position vouchers. All right. So how to margin trade? Basically, the simple tutorial. We margin transfer, adjust the leverage, trade, close position, and repay. So yes, this is a difference between the futures and the margin. On the futures, we open position, the futures contract, open position with leverage, and close position, get a profit, right? In USDT, for example. Here we buy the token, the same way like on the spot. It's like a spot with a leverage. Like you can see, when we send the money from futures to the margin, it's showing the trading pair, and that was by default the BTC USDT, and now we choose the XRP. So don't worry, your money not gone. You go into transfer, this one, isolated margin spot, and just send your USDT from BTC USDT trading pair to XRP USDT. I don't know why the Bitget add this future. It's basically not so comfortable. More comfortable will be if I just send the money to my margin account and I just after that trade a trading pair. All right, I send confirm. Now we can buy XRP with 10x. And what does it mean, the X? On some trading pair, 5x, for example, BTC 10x. Let's scroll it down. Here 5x. I saw some trading pair with a 3x, like TLM, the leverage. Some trading pair without X. It means you can't trade that token with a margin. All right. So for XRP is available 10x maximum. So what do we have to do? First of all, we can use the same way like on the futures. We can use the limit order or market order or OCO order. Press buy or sell, for example. Here, margin, we can choose the leverage. With the margin, you can trade like a spot with a leverage, but in the short position also. So it's kind of maybe difficult. It's not that complicated like you think. Margin, let's be 10x. But I want to buy by markets. So here's a 10x. I want to use my total margin. And like you can see, I got only $10, you know, but it's like I'm use $100 to buy XRP. So it's showing me here maximum size 103, available $10. I will pay some fee. Current loan, I get a loan from the exchange. because my own money it's only $10 and I took a loan. All right, so I press buy. I press buy XRP, purchase it. So what do we have to do now? And where's our money? Now we go to our margin account, and like you can see, we have only $10 deposit, right? Now we have $104, right, in our isolated margin account. That's why we borrow the money from Bitget to buy XRP. And like you can see, we don't have any more USDT on account. We have the XRP tokens. Here's my total balance, 52 XRP, available balance, 52 XRP, borrowed, $94. In USDT, I borrowed from exchange, $94. And here's the interest. So what's the point to use the margin instead of futures trade? Basically, not a big difference, just the size of leverages, one take. And the second one is a funding rate, daily interest. The currently displayed rates are the latest daily loan rates updated hourly, 0.014. But on the futures, it's negative funding, 0.2028. So it's kind of differences between the interest rate, and they update it every single 8 hours. So you pay the funding rate. What next? For example, if the token go up, you will be in a profit and you can sell it. We use 10x leverage. It means if the price go 10% up, right, it will be the 100% profit. At $2.20, it will be the 100% profit. If the token drop 10% down, you basically get a liquidation because it will be the 100% drop. So $1.79, it will be our liquidation. On this page, like you can see, we got actions: transfer, borrow and repay, trade. To close position, we need sell now our XRP tokens. Here we got a 52. Sell by market, sell XRP, confirm. Here's a buy, here's a sell. Now we still have like $104, but now we got a 0 XRP, we got $103. And now the final stage, we need to repay, cover some losses or get some profit. We go to repay, I choose USDT, and here available balance 103, borrowed 94, interest 0.3041, I choose maximum and repay, confirm. And here we are. We got back our initial balance. So we trade with 10x leverage, borrow the money, borrow USDT, bought XRP, fix the profit or losses, and repay. So repay that amount of money what we have to return to the Bitget. If we want to open short position, what to do? Here we go to XRP USDT, choose sell, isolated 10x, choose the margin, choose the market, and here you choose XRP, sell. On our margin account, we one more time got $100 because we borrow the money on exchange. Also, if you want to borrow or repay faster, you can just go to assets here. Choose the manual borrow and repay. If you want to borrow, you choose the isolated cross, trading pair. What do you want to borrow? The XRP, or you want to borrow USDT, or you can repay. So here, available balance, borrow at 0, interest 0, total debt. At the end, you just can close at the market price and close position. Profits obtained from closing position are used to repay. So I highly recommend you turn on this option, so it will cover from the balance. So you don't need to all the time go and press repay. This one. And we come back again to the margin account and see one more time $10. So yes, guys, it's kind of similar to the futures trades, but here's a limitation by size of leverages, and you need to repay the interest. You borrow the money and you bind the tokens. So for example, instead of open, for example, long position on BTC, you could use the margin trades, borrow the money in USDT on the Bitget, for example, bind the BTC at 20K and hold this margin position till 100K for BTC. And at the end, you could press sell the BTC tokens and cover the loan what it took on the Bitget in USDT, and the difference you leave in your real account. This is a way. Honestly, I mostly trade the futures intraday, but if you want to try, you can work with the margin on a Bitget. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.